So yeah, DPM now being fitted. As you can see, screws are penetrating. So we've got another detail to stick afterwards. At least now DPM is in place. Wait, I'll show you what's gonna be happening here later. We've now fitted cement board to the external wall T-junction. This is how it, DPM is in place, and now cement board, we just mastic sealed it into, just stick it into. So now we'll wait a bit how it sticks, and we'll wrap it with paper barrier now. So now I'll show you how it looks like when it's paper barrier completed. All three sides encapsulated. All done. Good.